nested up there. But that's what happens when you have an open ceiling. What kind of bird is that though? See that right there? But this is all cedar. Nice. Got the pool. We did all the concrete here, slab. It has glass in the pool deck. All this wasn't here before, so some of you guys are gonna probably see this. What we got? We just poured these stepping stones here. Nice. Go up to the shower, right? It's cool. You got a pool here. So listen, I'm very simple. This is and this is all gonna be like landscaped over here and all like that. Man, weekends, boom, be right here. Get your grill. You got a wall here, which eventually you can probably put. Is that my ladder? But you can probably put a TV on if you want to do that. All right. You got a wall here and you got a wall here that you can do. All this, see, was not like this before. And then we had some collateral damage, which we repaired the fence, which is right here. Repaired this fence here. You know, remove some of the things here. Got that going. So this is going to look really lovely once we get everything, you know, laid out with the landscaping and all that good stuff. As you can see, shower there. This whole area here is a laundry area here, new door. Got that going on. And then we got the bathroom, which is right here, which we added here. Okay, got some stuff. And this is the carport. That it was a carport before, but we just enhanced it. See the cedar here with the cedar beams, new column, steel column that wasn't there once before. All right. Got a little malfunction here. This is when it happens right here. I gotta redo this part here because it broke off. Yeah, some collateral damage because the water meter we can't move. The water meter would have been ideal, would have been right here somewhere. But you can see that edge is small. So we're just gonna cut this out, drill the epoxy, put rebar in it, chip this out a little bit so we can come out further so we can have a better thickened edge there. Okay, so listen, things happen on the job site, so I want to show you guys a little bit of everything. And there's going to be a fence here too, so you won't see these garbage cans. Make sense? All right, so this driveway here was a smooth finish. As you can see, Porta John is going to be gone. It's not mine. No stepping stone there. We try to make them thicker. Some people do 4 inches, but we try to do like 6 inches or more. For that, just like this driveway here is like 6 inches, even though it could have gone with 4, but we did 6. In some cases, probably more than that. And good drainage. It watered it down. I don't see any cracks, but we got fiber in here though. There's fiber in here. This was a structural slab. So we're good to go. I can tell some cars been on here already, which is fine. That's what it's for. But this is what we do, ladies and gents. We keep it moving. So keep watching our videos, guys. This is the final product here that we've done, but this is the final. This is a complete gut of the house. I'm gonna show you some things. I had a complete gut, and we just did everything inside: windows, doors, new carport. You saw the back pool. Well, you're for the builder. Okay, some neighborhoods you don't want to probably go big. You got enough inside. Sometimes, you know, people build too much. You know, they don't use the rooms. This house is very functional, especially outdoors. Base.